James Davies gwneud gwaith amddiffynol fan hyn yn gorfodi'r Barri am yn ôl. MacDonald chwilio am rediad Chris Hugh. Hugh, tu hwnt i Mills Evans sy'n mynd i'r llawr ac yna McLagan. Ac mae'n cael ei throi mewn gan Jordan Cottrell. Wel, smonach yn amddiffyn y Drenewydd, mae rhaid dweud. Ond gwaith da gan Chris Hugh lawr yr asgell chwith. Ac yn y diwedd y bêl yn torri i Jordan Cottrell. A Cottrell sy'n rhwydo rhoi'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Y Barri'n parhau ar y blaen. O gol i ddim, dyma Lewis yn hir, ond mae Mills Evans yn i benio'n glir, ond mae'n ôl mae'n dod gan y Barri. McLagan yr Wharton, dim cam sefyll. Arbediad gwirthiol gan Dave Jones yn y gol. Mwandwe, reit yn y gornel, yn erbyn Cummings, a mae'n cael y gorau o Luke Cummings. Ar draws, ac yna mae mewn am y James Davies wedi dod â Drenewydd yn gyfartal. Y camgymeriad gan Luke Cummings yn y gornel. Mwandwe yn ei giro yn hawdd, a Mwandwe a'r croesiad yn creu ansicrwydd yn amddiffyn y Barri. Ergyd trod dde gan Davies yn curo Lewis yn y gol. Jones yn ceisio cyflymu pethau ymlaen, mae'n mynd tuag at Rushton, dros ben Rushton, Davies! Ond ar draws wyneb y cwrt Cosby, mae'n torri'n garedig i Mwandwe yn taflunan i'r llawr. George Hughes! Yn rhoi Drenewydd ar y blaen! A wna wedi troi y gêm hon ar ei phen. 2 gol mewn 3 munud i'r Robinied. Ac wedi bod 1 ar ei holi. Maen nhw nawr ar y blaen o 2-1. Ergyd nerthol trod dde isel yn twyllo Mike Lewis. Y Mwandwe yn ei sguboi allan at Craig Williams, y capten. Rushton, a mae Williams wedi parhau erediad. Williams! Arbediad! Hyfryd gan Mike Lewis. Walker at Rushton, heibio i MacDonald yn creu ongl i'w hunan mlaen, a Davies roed y gornel! Chydig heibio'r postyn. Cyfle gwych i James Davies yn troi i ergyd, heibio i Mike Lewis, a gafodd Lewis y cyffyrddiad ola, felly mae yn arbediad campus.
Chris, the proverbial game of 2 halves, but 3 points for Newtown.
Yeah, it was that. I think, first off, Barri looked like a team that played last week. We looked like a team that hadn't had a game for 2 weeks, and they were a little bit sharp, a little bit neater and tidy than us. Probably won more duels, especially in the first half. Although we had a great chance with it rushing just before half-time to equalise. Really scruffy goal that we've conceded, and then look at half-time, just letting the boys know how disappointed we were and how they haven't really affected the game. As I say, we'd lost too many duels all over the pitch, and then a little bit more energy second half, a little bit more front foot, and then we caused them a few problems. But even though they probably had in the first 15 minutes the best chance, our goalie's made a great save, and then we've gone down the other end and scored 2 in 5 minutes, and that just shows what we can do. 2 well-worked goals, and then it's just about trying to see the game out then, because you come up against a good team who will put balls in your box, and we defended really well, and probably maybe could have scored another one on the counter-attack, but it's a big 3 points, especially after the first half performance.
It probably wasn't a great game. It was just full of honesty and competitiveness, really. There's a lot of yellow cards dished out, but I wouldn't say that it was a game where they would break us down, for example, or we would break them down. It was a bit of a game of attrition more than anything, rather than anything of any quality, and I think the teams are finely matched, even though the league table suggests otherwise at the moment.
Do you think it'll be a struggle for Barri to get into the top 6?
Who knows? I say it every week, we're capable of beating anyone, but we're capable of losing to everyone as well. And today you can't concede goals like that and expect to achieve in a game. And in a league where it's difficult to score goals anyway, we need to learn our lessons and learn our lessons quick.
O'n i'n gwybod gyn dod fewn, o'n ni ddim digon da, hanner cynta, ond yn yr ail hanner, o'n ni trwy'r gêm o gwmpas, a fel chi wedi dweud, 3 pwynt enfawr i ni.
A ail gol y tymor yn yr uwch gyngrair i chi, a gol holl bwysig i ddod â'r sgôr yn gyfartal?
Ie, mi oedd o. Dwi eisiau fwy o goliau i fod yn onest, ond mi oedd o'n gol da, a amser iawn i ni i wedyn mynd mlaen a ennill y gêm. Dyna'r peth fwyaf pwysig heddiw.